Hi again. Welcome to part 2 of my video about using the Ambiano Espresso Maker. In this part, I'm going to show you how to use the milk steaming function. Now, as you can see, the dial is in the red area below the coffee cup, but above the 180 mark. That means that it's ready to brew coffee, but we don't want to do that. We want to steam milk. So I'm going to hit this milk steaming button, and that's going to increase the temperature and get that needle up into the area between the milk steaming icon and the coffee cup icon. That might take a little while, apparently. I'm going to be using this pitcher to steam the milk in. This is an original Horn & Hardart pitcher from probably the 1940s or 50s in New York City, and it was liberated from that restaurant by either one of my parents or perhaps my grandmother, who was known for doing such things. Apparently, they have insurance, but one of the most important things about when it comes to steaming milk, you can see that the temperature gauge is now getting up into that area that we want it to be to steam the milk. But one of the most important things is to release the water, the hot water that's in the system before you start steaming. Because if you don't do that, it will dilute your milk. So I'm putting this glass under here. This is the steaming device, steaming wand, and this is the dial. Okay, so once your pressure and your temperature is high enough, you can open up the steaming function by turning this dial. Now, at first, you can see there's actual literal water coming out. You want to get rid of that water before you start steaming. So that much water would be at the bottom of your milk. Now I'm going to put this down because steaming is a two-hand procedure, and I hope that you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm holding up my mug, and when I've got the steamer tip just below the surface, I'm going to turn it on. Now a lot of bubbles are coming out, and just holding it below the surface, tilting it a little bit, I can turn up the volume of steam a little bit now. You want to take your time here, because you want the milk hot, not just those frothy bubbles. Okay, I'm going to turn this off now. I have to put this down. This is what I have right now, and as you can see, there are a lot of frothy bubbles on top, which aren't really desirable. I've heard that you can get rid of them by tamping it. Perhaps you can get rid of them by squishing it. Or you can do what I'm going to try to do, which is just to pour off the bottom steam milk and avoid all of those bubbles. So here we go. Sorry, this isn't exactly barista quality coffee art, but there's our cappuccino. I will top this with a little bit of cinnamon and enjoy. I hope you do too. Bye.